Assalamu alaikum students of class 5. Hope you all are fine. Today is 12th of June, Friday. As you all know, we have started chapter number 3, creating tables in MS Word. In this chapter, first we have learned what is table. Table is a combination of row and column. Then we have learned how to create tables in HTML. In MS Word. How to create tables in MS Word. There are 3 ways. Insert table grid, and draw table. Then we have learned how to convert text to a table. Today we will learn about how we can move and resize a table. Moving and resizing a table. Page number 33, chapter number 3, class 5. Moving and resizing a table. First we will do reading and then I will show you how you can move and resize your table. Take out your pencils and write down the date. A four-headed arrow and open box resizing handle appear on the upper left and lower right corner of the table respectively. Four-headed arrow and open box resizing handle appear on the upper left and lower corner. This one and this one. If the mouse is placed over the table, figure 3.11, the one I show you on the computer screen. The upper one will be called move handle and the lower one is called resize handle. Click and drag the four-headed arrow enclosed in a rectangle to move the table. Release the mouse button when the table is positioned at the desired location. Click and drag the open box handle to resize the table. When you will click on this move handle, with the help of this option, you can move your table. Similarly, by using this resize handle, you can resize your table. You can make it large or small by using this handle. Now students, suppose I have this table and I want to resize my table. So what I will do is, first I will select my table. and then I will drag it, and where I want to place my table I can place that. Now there is a small activity given on your book that you have to perform. Page number 33. Activity. Complete the following activity based on the instructions given. Create a table that should have rows equivalent to the number of your friends and columns equivalent to the topic in your scrapbook. Students, you have to create a table by creating number of rows equal to the number of your friends. If you have 5 friends, then you will create 5 rows. If you have 8 friends, then you will create 8 rows, and columns equivalent to the topics in your scrapbook. If you have selected 5 topics, suppose favorite book, favorite movie, favorite food, and so on. Enter the data in the table for at least 3 of your friends. Then you will enter data. Ask your friend and enter the data in the table. After completing the table, save it with myfriendlist.docs as file name. How you will save it? First, you will click on File menu. In File menu, you will click on Save As option. By clicking on Save As, this dialog box will open. In file name, you will write down myfriendlist.docs and then save it. Students, if you have any problem creating this table, do let me know. Try to create that table and practice all the practicals that we have done. You will create table by clicking on Insert Table option next to Home. Insert, then Table, and then Insert Table option.